Hello guys, welcome to my Minecraft Forge modding tutorial for a simple item. First, open your example mod class file, create a new string for our mod ID, public static final string mod ID equals to example mod. Now we will change this to our string example mod dot mod ID, and we need a new class called registrations, and in that class we will create a method called an init. Now we create this class. I will put this class in a new package called setup, and let's create the method too. Now we create a list for our items, private static final deferred register item. I will call these items equals to deferred register dot create forge registries items and our mod ID. So example mod dot mod ID. Let's register this list to the bus. So items register fml java mod loading context dot get mod event bus. Now we create our item, public static final registry object item, and the name for this item will be sapphire equals to items. We put the item to the list, register the name of our item will be sapphire, and the supplier to new item and a new item properties, and I put this item to a tab. That tab will be the creative mod tab misc. Now save everything. Okay, now we need the Json model file. Go to the resource, create a new folder called assets, another one named your mod ID, so example mod, another one that will be the models folder, and for last you need an item folder. In that item folder we create a JSON file in curly brackets. We need the parent, and that will be an item slash generated. Now we need the textures in curly brackets. First we need the layer null, and now we need the path to the texture. That will be mod ID and the items folder, the name of the texture will be sapphire. This is done. Save. Save it to the source, main, resources, assets, mod ID, models, item, and name it as the registered name sapphire.json. Now we need the texture. Create another folder called textures and put it in the example mod. Create another one in the textures folder, and that will be the items folder. Okay, I already created a texture for the item. You can download it if you want. I will put a link in the description to my texture, or just use your own. Okay, put it in the textures items folder. It's in there. It will look like this. Now we create the language file. So create a new folder called lang, and in that we will create a JSON file. Curly brackets, and in quotes, item, the mod ID, so example mod, and the name of the registered item, so sapphire, and the name that we want to display will be sapphire. Save it to the language folder, so the lang folder. Oh, forgot to rename it. Rename, refactor, rename, and this will be named as us.json. Great, now let's run the game. I launched the game and everything works fine. The item is here in the mix tab. So, that's the end of the video. I hope it helped you. See you next time.